Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, is relations and functions done, ma'am?
Yes, beta?
Is relations and functions chapter done, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay.
Domain, codomain, only this much. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And there was one function. When each element of A has image in each element of B, right? This is called
Yes, ma'am.
one function. See, I'm explaining also once again. Suppose there is a mapping between A and B. So A is having element 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is having A, B, C, D. Right? So the image of A is, one is B, image of 3 is A, and 2 is D, and 4 is C. So if you are observing it, that the element, each element of A having image in B element, right? Element of B. So 1 having image B, 2 having image A, and 3 third element having image D, and fourth one has having C. So these are the ordered pair. By observing these, this mapping, or you can say ray diagram, you can write your ordered also, functions also, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So your first, see, your first number, first digits of these function of ordered pair x comma y. So values of x represent what? Domain, right? And the element B, the elements of B is basically range, or you can say codomain. Jaswant? Jaswant? Are you there? Dhananjay, am I audible, beta?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Okay. Now, today I'm going to start new topic. That is your differentiation. So in your 11th and 12th, there are two topics, differentiation and integration. Right? Integration means you have to integrate, that means you have to add or you have to join. Integrate means, okay, integration comes from integrate. And this differentiation means divide, or you can say break. Okay, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
So first of all, the basic thing is, suppose you have given y to the power, y is equal to x to the power n. And we have to find the derivative. It means derivative, right hand side it is written x. So you have to find the different derivative of y with respect to x. So it will be, you will represent derivative is represented by y dash, or you can d upon dx, right? So here any function you can write within the braces. Suppose here this y is the function of x. So the differentiation of dy by dx, differentiation you will write dy by dx because on right hand side x function is there. So dy by dx, or you will write y dash will be equal to nx n minus 1. So you have to write your power in the numerator only. Okay. Then x, then subtract 1 from the power which is given. Suppose for example, if I have to find differentiation of x cube, right? So differentiation of x cube will be dy by dx is equal to, now this power will come here, right? Then x 3 minus 1. Then you will write 3x square. We have broken this x cube into 3x square. Have you gotten my point?
Ma'am, could you explain it again?
Yes, I will explain more examples. Suppose if you have given y is equal to x to the power 5 and we have to find the derivative. So you will write dy by dy y dash is equal to, now this power you have to write in numerator, then write x, then 5 minus 1. So it will be 5x raised to the power 4. So 5x to the power 4 will be the derivative of x to the power 5. Now understood? Dhanunjay,
Yes, ma'am.
Jaswant?
I understood.
Yes, yes.
Understood? Okay. Now see, suppose you have given y is equal to x to the power 99. So what will be the differentiation of this? Jaswant and Dhanunjay, tell me.
From 99 x power 98.
Yes, 99 minus 1, you will write 99 x to the power 98. Very good. Yes, Jaswant? Jaswant?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Jaswant, tell me the differentiation of x to the power 15.
Ma'am, 15x to the power 14.
Yes, 15x to the power 14.
14.
Very good, beta. Now, suppose if we have to find the differentiation of 2x. What will be differentiation? Tell me, Dhanunjay, Jaswant. No worries, beta. See, dy by dx is equal to, now 2x. It means 2x raised to the power 1. Right? So you will write 2. 1 will come here. And x to the power 1 minus 1. I will write like this, beta. May I write? Jaswant, Dhanunjay.
What did you explain right now? I was just
See, I'm explaining it once again. See, 2x is written, right? And here the power of x is 1 only. So according to the power rule, this y is equal to x to the power n. N will come forward. Nx minus 1 will be the differentiation. Right? So here, value of x is, power of x is 1. So you will write, it will be multiplied with 2. Then x to the power 1 minus 1 you will write. Now got it my point? So 2 ones are 2. X to the power 0. Now if any constant or variable having raised to the power 0, it always equal to 1. So your differentiation will be 2 only. Clear?
Yeah, ma'am. Clear.
Suppose if we have to find the differentiation of t only. So here is t. So you will find dy by dt and it will be 1 only. Clear, beta?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose y is equal to z. Then you are finding differentiation with respect to z. So it will be 1 only. Got it my point? And if dy by y is equal to 3u, then dy by du will be equal to 3 only. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Yes.
Okay. So now children, there are few formulas. So first is this x to the power n, and this is called power rule. nx n minus 1. This is called power rule. Now next is differentiation of exponential functions. What are your exponential function? Which are like this: ex, e to the power 2x, e to the power 3x. These are the exponential function. Okay, beta? So it's differentiation always. The coefficient of x comes here in the numerator, then it will be a e to the power ax. Okay, or e to the power ax differentiation as it is into differentiation of a to the power x. So here differentiation of x will be 1. So it will be a e to the power ax. Got it my point? Suppose if you are having e to the power 2x. So what will be differentiation? 2 will come here forward. Then e to the power 2x. Right? Suppose e to the power 5. E to the power 5x. So just one, what will be our differentiation?
Could you explain?
Tell me.
1 and 5. 5.
Yes, 5 e to the power 5x. And suppose if you have y to the power, y is equal to e to the power 2x. I have already done, see. 2 will come. So e2 e to the power 2x. Dhanunjay understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am, understood.
These are
Ma'am,
the formulas only, beta.
ma'am, can
Right?
you one again tell the exponential function?
Yes. What are exponential function? Graph also I will draw it. Just wait, let me raise this. See, your exponential function used to calculate exponential growth of the data. Suppose we have to find the growth rate of the interest. So you will see. Screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see exponential function. What is your exponential function? It is used to calculate exponential growth of a given set of data. Suppose you have to find the growth rate of population. You have to find the growth rate of interest. Okay. So, a exponential function is always represented as y is equal to, suppose it is a function of x and this is equal to b to the power x, or you can write e to the power x. And where this x is a variable, x is a variable and b is a constant term. B is constant term, which is called the base of the function, right? So, and the value of b is always greater than 1. The value of this base is always greater than 1. Because if it will be 1, then 1 raised to the power x will be 1 only, beta. Okay?
Yes,
So, most commonly we are using this letter E to represent exponential function, which value is equal to 2.71828. Right? So, see, in earlier question also I have written this e to the power x. So, generally for representing exponential, we are using this letter E. Okay. And the graph for this exponential function is like this. Suppose this is your x-axis. This is y-axis. X and x dash, y and y dash. So your graph, see, like this. Because it increases exponentially. Right, beta? Because through graph only, we have studied only what type of graph we have studied. Suppose we have studied the linear graph, right? And this parabolic graph, quadratic polynomial. In chapter 2, we have studied. But we have not studied this type of graph. Okay? And this rate, the growth of rate is increasing or decreasing exponentially. Okay, beta? So to calculate these type of data, we have to use this exponential function, or you can say this letter E. Got it? Understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you
Yes,
studied
ma'am.
about the logarithm function?
Ma'am, no. No, ma'am.
Logarithm function. Logarithm function is the inverse of this exponential. See. Logarithm function it is basically inverse of exponential function. Okay. So you can represent your logarithm function as, see, if you are writing, say, b to the power x is equal to, you have let this is equal to a. This is your exponential function, right? And how you will write this logarithm function? The logarithm function will be log base is b, a is equal to x. This is the logarithm function. Or you can say the base b is always greater than 1 in logarithm function also. So logarithm function is a function from positive real numbers to all real number. It always be positive. So this function is known as logarithm function. So where, see, so x, basically see, if we are applying this log, so base is having b, I have written here b, and this will equal to a, log a. So there are few properties for logarithm functions. So if you are multiplying, suppose you are having two numbers and you are multiplying and logarithm is there. So how will you write it? You will add the functions log a plus log b. Then if in division is the two numbers are there, then you will write log a minus log b. Then if log m raised to the power n is there, so this power will come forward and log m. Okay. And log 0 is always equal to 1. Log 0 is 1. Okay, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Don't worry, in grade 11, you will study this logarithm function in brief. Okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Now next is differentiation. I have told you of exponential function e to the power x is equal to e to the power x. Or you can say differentiation of e to the power ax is always equal to a e to the power ax. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now next is. Now differentiation of logarithm function. Differentiation of logarithm function, suppose log ax is given. So differentiation of log x is 1 upon x. And here is coefficient of x is a. So you will write a upon x. So suppose if we have to find differentiation of 2x, log 2x, what will be the differentiation? Y dash will be equal to 1 upon 2x into coefficient of x is 2. So you will write here 2. 2 cancel and it will be 1 by x. Got it, beta? So if you have to find the differentiation of log 3x, Jaswant, what will be the differentiation of log 3x?
Ma'am, 1 by x. 1 by
Because the differentiation of log x is 1 by 3x. And then differentiation of 3x is 3 only. 3 cancel, it will be 1 by x. Okay. Now next is differentiation of sin x. So differentiation of sin x is always equal to cos x. Then differentiation of cos x is equal to minus sin x. Then differentiation of tan x is equal to secant square x. And differentiation of secant x will be equal to secant x into tan x. Then differentiation of cot x will be equal to minus cosecant square x. And differentiation of cosecant x is equal to minus cosecant x into cot x. Okay, these are the few formulas of differentiation. Children, please note it down it. Because your whole chapter, this whole chapter is based on the formulas only. Nothing you have to do. You have to just apply the formulas. Okay? Please note this. Am I audible?
yes, ma'am. Noted, no.
Jaswant, are you outside?
Ma'am, yes. Currently, I mean, I'm traveling. So I'm traveling. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Because when you have unmuted yourself, then there was a voice of horns, vehicle horns.
Ma'am, the surrounding. Yes, yes, ma'am.
That's why I'm asking. Done?
1 minute.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay.
I'm done.
Okay, now next is, suppose if any constant term is given. So differentiation of all the constant terms is always equal to 0. Suppose if we have to find the differentiation of 2, then it will be 0. Differentiation of 100, it will be 0. Because they are not having the variable x. Only in case of variables are given, you can find the derivative. Clear, beta? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now suppose if you have given differentiation, find the, before this, let me explain this product rule. Product rule means when two functions are given in multiplication form, right? Suppose y is a function of u and v both, and you have to find the differentiation derivative. So how will you find out? See, first of all, let this function be 1 and this be 2. So first function, you will do the differentiation of first function, second function as it is, plus now first function as it is, and differentiation of first function, second function. Clear? Suppose, let me explain this with example. Let y is equal to 2 sine x. 2 sine x. So here we are having two functions, beta. One is 2 and other one is sine x. Right? So we have to find the differentiation. So firstly, you will find the differentiation derivative of 2. Sine x you will write as it is, plus now 2 as it is, and differentiation of sine x. So now differentiation of 2 is 0, because this is a constant term. No variable is written, plus 2 into differentiation of sine x, cos x. This is the formula. So 0 into sine x is 0. So 2 sine x is the 2 cos x is the answer. Have you understood, Jaswant? Dhanunjay?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, please note this. And Jaswant and Dhanunjay, are you attending the test
Yes,
which I
ma'am,
am
we are.
making?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Dhanunjay,
Yes, ma'am, I am.
you both are attempting the test,
Yes, ma'am.
maths test. Okay. Because there will be mock test also on Sunday. Okay, it will contain 10 questions.
Ma'am,
MCQs only. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? May I raise this, beta?
Yes, ma'am, you can.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Just one, tell me. What will be the differentiation of sine 2x? Tell me, beta. We have written the formula, na? Differentiation of sine x
2
is?
cos 2x.
Yes.
2 cos 2x.
Yes. So it will be 2 cos 2x. Why? Because here coefficient of x is 2. Or you can learn like this. Y is equal to sine 2x. So first of all, differentiation of sine is cos 2x. And then differentiation of 2x also. Because your x is not alone. So now differentiation of 2 is 2 only. So 2 cos 2x. Got it?
Yeah, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, Dhananjay. Dhananjay,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the differentiation of cos 5x. You can see the formula better.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, Dhananjay.
Ma'am, minus 5 sine 5x.
Yes, because the differentiation of cos is minus sine. So it will be minus sine 5x. Then differentiation of 5x will be 5 only. So minus 5 sine 5x. Okay. Now just one. Tell me the differentiation of 5x to the power 10. 5x to the power 10. Yes, Jaswant?
Ma'am.
See, in
Ma'am,
this differentiation, yes, beta?
Ma'am, I'm not sure.
See, in this differentiation of two functions, there are two functions. One is constant term, other is variable. So first of all, you will do the differentiation of 5 x to the power 10 as it is, plus now 5 as it is, then differentiation of x to the power 10. Now differentiation of constant term is 0. I have already told you. Into x to the power 10 plus 5 into. Now we have to do differentiation of x to the power 10. So power rule we need to apply. So write 10, then x to the power 9. Got it? Now it will be 0 plus 10 5 15, x to the power 9. So 15 50x to the power 9 is the answer. Dhanunjay, Jaswant,
Yes,
have you
ma'am.
understood?
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
So today you have to do practice of these type of questions only. And your tomorrow's test, you will see these type of questions. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, beta? So do
Yeah.
practice of these all the things. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Bye-bye, beta.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Same to you, beta. Bye-bye.